This is a quick tutorial on using the interlinear function in BibleHub.com. You can search for a scripture by using the drop downs. I always like to just type the passage there after the first link is from BibleHub.com, and it will bring you to the particular passage. If you're looking to use the interlinear function, you just click here, and it will provide you the Strong's Greek Concordance here, the Englishman's Concordance. You'll see the original language and the English version here, and then the grammatical context. So that's a brief summary of using the interlinear function in BibleHub.com.